make a chain of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and join the chain in the round with a slip stitch. Start first round, make 1 chain stitch up. Now work in the round. Single crochet 2, 1 and 2, half double crochet 2, 1, 2, double crochet 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now treble crochet 5, yarn over hook 2 times for a treble stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last treble, 5. Now again double crochet 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Continue half double crochet 2, 1 and 2, single crochet 2, 1, 2, and to finish the round make a slip stitch through the first chain stitch. First round is ready. It is going to be the center of our future leaf. Begin round 2. I'm going to make a trim around this center. For trimming, chain 1, then a slip stitch under the front loop of next stitch, then again chain 1 and make a slip stitch under the front loop of next stitch, and repeat chain 1 and a slip stitch under front loop of the next stitch. Continue, make a slip stitch in each remaining stitch across the round, working under the front loops of stitches, and between each slip stitch make 1 chain stitch. Repeat till the end of the round. Let's finish this round together. On previous round I have 3 more stitches to work through, so repeat chain 1 and a slip stitch under front loop of next stitch, chain 1 again and make a slip stitch under the front loop of the next stitch, and again repeat chain 1 and a slip stitch. To finish the round, make a slip stitch through the first chain stitch. Begin next round 3, chain 1, and now we're going to work stitches under the back loops of stitches on previous round. Here you can see the back loops. Very good. Insert the hook under the back loop of first stitch and make a single crochet. Single crochet through the next stitch, work under the back loop. Now let's continue. Chain 2, 1, 2 for the chain space, skip 1 back loop and double crochet under the second one. Again, chain 2 and double crochet under the second back loop in a row. Repeat the same 2 more times. Chain 2 and a double crochet under the second back loop in a row. Again, chain 2 and a double crochet. We've made 4 double crochet stitches. Let's continue. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip 1 back loop in a row and treble crochet under the second back loop. Chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and treble crochet through the same stitch under the same back loop. Chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet through the second back loop. Skip 1 loop on previous row and work through the second one. Continue the same as we did on the other side of our leaf. Chain 2 and double crochet under the second back loop. Repeat 2 more times. Chain 2 and a double crochet under the second back loop. Chain 2 and a double crochet stitch. Let's see what we've got. We can double check. From this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet, and from the other side we have 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet stitches. We are doing good. Let's continue. Chain 2, skip 1 stitch and single crochet under the second back loop. Single crochet through the next stitch and finish the round with a slip stitch through the first chain stitch on this round. Here we've got a round leaf with nice center. But we're not done yet. Continue with round 4. Make 1 chain stitch up, single crochet 2 in a row, 1, 2, then single crochet 2 into the chain space of 2, 1, 2, single crochet through the next stitch, into the chain space, single crochet 2 again, and repeat single crochet into the stitch and then single crochet 2 into the chain space. Go around working in a row with the single crochet stitches. Here you can see our leaf is getting stronger shape. Continue around. Single crochet 3 into the chain of 3, then single crochet through the next stitch and into this top chain space work 5 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one. Single crochet through the next stitch and into the chain space, single crochet 3, and repeat the same. Single crochet through the stitch and single crochet 2 into the chain space. Continue single crochet in a row till the end of this round. To finish the round, make a slip stitch through the first chain stitch. Our leaf is almost ready. Actually, you can stop the work if you need this kind of leaf. I'm still going to continue and make another round of trimming. I will do the same trimming as I did for the center part. That was round 2 in our work. But this time we'll work under 2 loops, 2 top strands of our stitches on previous round. So we've chained 1 to begin the round 5 and making the same trimming. Chain 1 and a slip stitch through each stitch in a row. Chain 1 and a slip stitch under 2 loops. Repeat till the end of this round. Let's finish this round together. I have 3 more stitches to work through. Let's repeat chain 1 and a slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1 and a slip stitch. To finish the round, make a slip stitch through the first chain stitch. Our beautiful leaf is ready. Let's make a leaf stalk. Chain 7 and work the same as we did trimming. Ignore the first stitch from the hook, start working from the second hook. Make a slip stitch into the second stitch, chain 1 and a slip stitch through the next stitch, and continue the same till the end of the leaf stalk. To finish the work, make a slip stitch through the first chain stitch of the last round. Now you can cut the yarn. The leaf is ready. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe.